Good day. My name is Leanda Lecornu from Lutrichard in South Africa. I have been a member of WAU for the past 31 years, during which time I had the opportunity to attend ACWW conferences, first as an observer and later as a delegate. It has been a privilege to connect with women from different parts of the world who share the same commitment to strengthen communities and support one another. Because of my WAU membership, I was introduced to ACWW. Attending ACWW conferences over the year helped me realize that although women live in different parts of the world, we share the same hopes, challenges, and goals for families and communities. Seeing women work together across cultures for a better future inspired me, and being able to contribute to that work is what attracted me to this role. My membership of WAU, together with experience serving on various boards within the organization, have given me a valuable insight into the work and values of ACWW. I am committed to serve where I can make a difference, and I have always had a strong interest in supporting women and children in our communities. I believe my experience, dedication, and willingness to serve equip me for this role. ACWW has unfortunately lost members over the past few years due to financial challenges and decline engagement. While financial circumstances are not always easy to change, I believe we can strengthen ACWW by rebuilding connections among members. My vision is to encourage women to stay involved, build stronger regional relationships, and remind members of the important role ACWW plays in empowering women worldwide. I already have a relationship with several organizations in the region, and I believe these connections can help strengthen growth for ACWW in the southern area. As part of a board, I would work with members, share ideas and experiences, and support initiatives that help expand the range and impact of ACWW. I'm grateful for the opportunity to be nominated for this role and would be honored to serve ACWW. I look forward to continue to work alongside women across the region to strengthen our organization and support the important work we do for women and communities worldwide. Thank you.